Hello everyone, welcome back. From this video, we will follow up the previous video to start the session of HTML5. I plan to use several videos to cover this topic. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what's HTML? HTML represents hypertext markup language. HTML can mark up the web pages by the elements and text to display the content on the browsers. So the key point that we need to focus on is to learn the HTML elements and text. The purpose of HTML elements and text is to label the piece of content for specific display, such as elements h1, elements h2, elements p, and table, etc. Elements h1 and h2 is to label the heading text. Elements p is represent a paragraph. Elements table is to create a table. We will focus on the HTML elements and text later. Okay, so on the screen, we list all the HTML versions. So since in 1991, the first version of the HTML is released. They have the HTML 2.0, HTML 3.2, and 4.01, and then have the XHTML. What we'll focus is the latest version of HTML. It's HTML5, which is released in 2014. What are the popular HTML development tools? I list some of them, such as Notepad++, Eclipse IDE, NetBeans IDE. So you can go to this link to download and install into your computer, which are free. Okay, let's come back on the HTML elements and text. As we discussed before, these are the key knowledge for HTML. So we will spend the most of time to study. Okay, so there are some of the elements and text listed on the screen. The doc type HTML is to define this document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of HTML page. The head element contains the mental info or mental data about this document. The title element is to define the title for this document. The body element contains the visible page content. H1 element defines the large heading. The P element defines the paragraph. Okay, so let's do some coding practice